So what we have to do is teach our dogs a concept. The concept is they need to generalize engagement, meaning regardless of what happens, the dog needs to stay focused and respond to my cues. And it requires maintenance forever, which means you need to expose the dog to as much variety as possible, which ultimately means going to many, many, many different places. In addition, the dog has to learn mental endurance, which means they have to develop the skill of staying focused for 9 to 11 continuous minutes per run. You want the dog to be clear-eyed, focused on you, and engaged. That's when the dog is ready. All right? Now, for my warm-up, when my dogs are young, I ask them for tricks. So I say, twist, spin, bounce, wave, down, sit, stand. That's asking them for specific tricks. That's how I start my warm-up. When my dog gets more advanced, I ask my dog to offer. So I say, what can you do? Which means the dog can offer whatever behaviors it wants. And when my dog is really advanced, my dog will offer engagement without my saying anything, right? So you have to determine what stage your dog is at. And even if your dog, let's say at home, your dog has gotten to the point where it offers engagement on his own, when you go to a challenging environment, you may need to go back to asking for tricks and work through that hierarchy, right? Again, you may need to simplify. If successful with that, then I would call it a day.
About turn, stand your dog, leave.